judges. This is Sneha.
This is Jennifer.
And today we're gonna answer everything that you need to know before visiting Japan.
Starting with your accommodations
Visa, flights,
and transportation, food.
and everything in between
Yes.
that you need to know. And all your doubts gonna be cleared from this video. The question that everybody asks is what is the best weather to visit in Japan? मैं तो पर्सनली वोट करूँगी चेरी ब्लॉसम सीजन बिकॉज ओ माई गॉड इट्स एब्सोल्युटली फिनोमिनल. आपका चेरी ब्लॉसम स्टार्ट होता है फ्रॉम साउथ टू नॉर्थ, सो द बेस्ट टाइम टू विजिट आइडली वुड बी मार्च मिडिल टू मे के फर्स्ट वीक तक. And May के first week में if you are visiting, then Hokkaido is your best go-to destination, and you will be absolutely mind blown with the sceneries, the blossoms over there. And कोई imagine ही नहीं कर सकता कि Hokkaido में भी इतना अच्छा चेरी ब्लॉसम आपको मिल सकता है, वो भी कब May के beginning में. wait I'll come to you. And you like pink, blush and those kind of colors. If your pastel is your vibe, then cherry blossom is your season.
But I would not agree to this. मैं recommend करूँगी. मैं personally I would say please visit Japan in autumn. It's beautiful. जो जापान में autumn होता है that starts from north to south and वो ज़्यादा months last long करता है as compared to cherry blossom. It's beautiful, very anime coded I would say. The leaves are nice, the weather is nice, the air is very crisp, it's windy, everything feels nice. And बाहर बैठ के वो ठंडी ठंडी हवा में red leaves के साथ and गरम रामेन पे सिप करना, it's amazing.
And obviously the kharage is also very nice.
Yes.
But depends on what kind of vibe you're looking for. But हमारे लिए तो I think दोनों seasons बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, and that's why we have a lot of different itineraries which can help you experience autumn as well as cherry blossoms with Hokkaido of course. And उसके बारे में हम थोड़ी देर बाद discuss करेंगे. But let's come to visa, which is very important because whenever somebody is going on an international trip, visa is something that everybody gets confused.
And it can't be taken lightly. लोगों को लगता है वीज़ा जापान वीज़ा इज़ वेरी इजी एंड एवरीथिंग, बट जापान के वीज़ा भी रिजेक्ट होते हैं. वी हैव सीन दैट. So it's not something that needs to be taken lightly.
If you are applying through us, we have a visa acceptance rate of almost 96%.
And
so
yes, we are certified by JNTO as well. So you have one of the benefits that add होते हैं when you apply for Japan visa with us is that chances of getting it rejected is hardly null.
Yes.
I would say null.
So आ जाओ हमारे साथ. ई वीज़ा देता है कि नहीं जापान? So the thing is, ई वीज़ा अप्लाई कर सकते हो, but the procedure of applying ई वीज़ा is exactly as same as sticker visa, and India is not currently giving ई visas as of now to anybody. And ई वीज़ा अभी तक रोल आउट सिर्फ बैंगलोर में हुआ था, बट वो भी अभी स्टिकर वीज़ा ही दे रहे हैं. So the process of applying both the visa are absolutely same. You have to visit the VFS Global office nearest to your city by yourself and submit all the documents in person.
Yes.
And the documents?
And the documents that are needed for your Japan visa, something basic आपका जो भी start होता है, starting from your valid passport, your photos, and if you are a salaried person, then your ITRs, your NOC from your company.
And more details you can get in the captions. And यहाँ पे मैं सारी list बता दूँगी. Also, make sure that you comment cover letter. और ई वीज़ा वाला बात क्या था? वो फ़ोन करके बोला था मैंने ई वीज़ा लगा देना है और मेरे को जापान का वीज़ा 2 दिन में आ जाएगा करके.
ये तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. मतलब ई वीज़ा
वो लड़ाई कर रहा था मेरे से कि नहीं आ जाएगा 2 दिन में आ जाएगा वीज़ा.
इवन जस्ट वीज़ा की बात नहीं है, होटल्स पे भी जब बात हो रही थी तो लाइक पीपल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड कि वो जापान में होटल के रूम एक्चुअली छोटे होते हैं.
वो सोचते हैं कि 12-13 हज़ार रुपये दे रहे हैं तो बहुत लग्जरी होगा.
बट जापान में यूजुअली होटल रूम्स आर लाइक 11 स्क्वायर मीटर.
हाँ एवरेज साइज
है ना, एवरेज साइज रहता है.
और वो बेड्स भी छोटे छोटे वाले होते हैं.
बट दे डोंट कॉम्प्रोमाइज ऑन क्लीनलीनेस एंड एवरीथिंग.
हाँ, that's true. They have yakutas in their room. They have all the toiletries. If they are not there in the room, you can go to the reception and ask for it. So आपको easily मिल जाएगा. Everything is there. So you actually don't have to carry your घर का clothes.
मेरे को तो मतलब लास्ट टाइम वो इतना पसंद आया था नाइट गाउन, मैं तो लेकर ही आ गई थी. हाँ. And also one more question. I think everyone get confused between Suica card and JR pass.
अरे मैं बताती हूँ.
हाँ.
So JR pass is something that you need when you are planning to take a lot of bullet trains and that too on the JR line.
JR
ठीक है?
pass JR line
JR
makes sense.
Yeah, of course. So people make mistake over there and they get the JR pass, which end up being expensive than Suica card. Suica card is something that you can use on.
तीनों आइटनरीज जो हमारी जापान की हैं उसमें डिफरेंस क्या है, विच वन इज द बेस्ट. ओके, सो जस्ट स्टार्टिंग विद हमारी फर्स्ट आइटनरी विच इज आर बैक पैकिंग स्टाइल आइटनरी. 3rd to 11th अक्टूबर है एंड इट्स गोना बी अ मिक्स ग्रुप टूर. बैक पैकिंग है, आपको बैग लेके चलना नहीं है, बट इट्स बैक पैकिंग बिकॉज इट्स बजटेड एंड इसमें इंक्लूडेड है आपके एक्सपीरियंस. दिस इज मोस्टली एक्सपीरियंस बेस्ड जिसमें आपका यूनिवर्सल स्टूडियोज है, डिज्नी सी इंक्लूडेड है and
Also Harry Potter guys.
yes, for all the Potterheads ही होते हैं.
Yeah, Potterheads ही होते हैं. Come on.
तो Potterheads उनकी भी टिकट इंक्लूडेड है एंड वी विल बी गोइंग फॉर अ माउंट फूजी प्राइवेट टूर एंड दिस आइटनरी इसके अंदर कामाकुरा का डे ट्रिप भी इंक्लूडेड है. तो इट्स गोना बी ब्यूटीफुल. हम सीनिक ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करेंगे and someone who is interested in all these experiences.
So one great thing about this itinerary is यहाँ पे हम कामाकुरा visit कर रहे हैं and if you are a Ghibli fan, this place is gonna be amazing for you. And second highlight of this trip I will say, you get to see Mount Fuji twice here. एक बार कामाकुरा से with sea view and एक बार of course we are visiting Kawaguchi को, तो वहाँ से आपको Mount Fuji दिखता है.
The most important part of this trip, about this trip,
Forgot.
anyone can join this trip. And when we are saying anyone, so anyone as in male, females, college students, broke students also, if आपके parents sponsor करते हैं आपको, and couples or solo friends or friend groups or anyone can join this. We are welcoming everyone, age group from 18 to 45. You can join, you can be part of this group because we will be having fun exploring, so you will be meeting a lot of people. So matlab all the guys I mean all the ladke who will be joining us on this trip, aap logo ka yukata wearing experience is included. Yeah, so aapko bhi mauka milne wala hai. So we all will be dressed up in nice kimonos and everything, and we'll be doing the traditional tea ceremony, walking around the Asakusa and getting those perfect Instagram pictures to look back to. And also Mount Fuji का देखने का percentage vary करता है season to season. So let's just all come with good vibes and hopes. Good hopes कि उस दिन हमारा Mount Fuji का clear भी हो. We all get to see very nice views Mount Fuji के. We get nice pictures. So all you need to focus is on good trips and yeah, just good vibes.
Good vibes guys, otherwise no vibes.
But also to mention, because kimono mention हो गया, then आपकी all 3 itineraries में kimono wearing experience is included. And also we will be visiting one of the most beautiful offbeat UNESCO heritage site, which is the Oshino Hokai. बहुत ही beautiful Mount Fuji का आपको view आएगा. The houses are nice, the walk is pretty, and it's worth, every corner is worth, I don't know,
And
pictures.
if you are a foodie, then Oshino Hokai village के ठीक बाहर there are a lot of food stalls. You can
Yes.
try mochi, then daifuku, kharage,
Corn
corn
dogs,
dogs, and
corn
these
dogs.
are absolutely mind blowing.
भूख लगा है.
I want ramen now.
If you are a vegetarian, so we would recommend you कि आप अपने साथ कुछ packed foods या फिर something जो hot water just add करना होता है, you can carry it around, you लेके आ सकते हो. But if it comes to our itinerary, हमारी itinerary में daily breakfast is already included, so you don't have to worry about सुबह क्या खाना है. And all the breakfast हर hotel का is awesome. I still can't get over those blueberry pancakes. So they were actually good. And once we start with the day trip, then you can stop. हम किसी family mart या 7-Eleven के stores पे रुक सकते हैं, जो वहाँ पे आपको जापान में almost हर दूसरे corner पे मिलेंगे. We can stop somewhere, you can grab some rice cakes or grilled sandwiches.
And onigiri is also very famous over there.
Yes.
Vegetarian onigiri भी मिलता है asparagus के साथ. But if you're not able to find that, some vegetarian options will be definitely available.
If you have more questions, regarding itineraries और किस तरीके का कैसे जापान में travel करना है, then you can comment us.
Reach out on this number and आगे भी हमारी जो भी itineraries आने वाली है, जैसे cherry blossom आने वाली है, we will keep you updated.